Dickie's beer review. Today I'm going to be trying this, I think it's Duvel. It says it's a Belgian golden ale. This one's 8.5% alcohol. It says it's imported through Cooperstown, New York. About to spill this thing all over. Yeah, I poured that like shit. So yeah, I poured it wrong. The head got big on there, but who cares? It's a really, 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 really light color. A little bit of a bitter taste to it. Kind of a hoppiness, but not really. I mean, the aftertaste is good. It's smooth going down. It's just that initial taste. It's got like a little, some kind of kick to it. Yeah, it's a cool little bottle. Yeah, there's like a spice to it, or like a bitterness to it, but it's not horrible. It's not like a strong one. Borderline hoppy taste, but not really hoppy. If that makes sense. So it's different. Wasn't sure what to expect. Said it was a Belgian ale. But yeah, it's not bad. Keep pouring the head on that freaking crazy high. Oh well, I'm just gonna keep drinking it. So thanks for watching. Like my videos on YouTube, subscribe if you have a YouTube channel, and leave comments. And until next time, cheers. As soon as I'm done with this video, there's my other camera. I'm about to finish cutting down them trees out there. That foam's weird on there too. It's like ice cream. Something. That's disgusting. It's got a nice smell to it. Like a hey sis. It's got a good smell to it. Ooh, there's a. There really was.